Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to class 13 of our English speaking skills series. Today we will talk about avoiding common English mistakes and using modal verbs correctly. Let's get started. First, let's look at some common English mistakes and how to avoid them. One common mistake is subject, verb, agreement. For example, she go to school every day is incorrect. The correct sentence is she goes to school every day. Remember, with singular subject he, she, it, the verb should end with s or es. Another mistake is confusing homophones, which are words that sound the same but have different meaning. Like they are going to the park is incorrect. The correct sentence is they are going to the park. There is possessive. Misusing article is also a common mistake. For example, I have apple is incorrect. The correct sentence is I have an apple. Use a before words that start with the consonant sound and an before words that start with the vowel sound. Using double negative is another error to avoid. Like I don't need no help is incorrect. The correct sentence is I don't need any help. Using two negatives in a sentence is incorrect. Use only one negative word. Incorrect prepositions are also common. For example, I will discuss about it is incorrect. The correct sentence is I will discuss it. Some words like discuss don't need an additional preposition. Let's practice correcting these mistakes. I will say a sentence and you correct it. He don't like apples. The correct sentence is he does not like apples. They are going to the beach. The correct sentence is they are going to the beach. I have book. The correct answer is I have a book. Now let's talk about modal verb. These are special verbs that express ability, possibility, permission, or necessity. Examples are can, could, will, would, shall, may, might, and must. For example, can is used to express ability, like I can swim. Could is used to express past ability, like she could dance very well when she was younger. Will is used for future intentions, like I will call you tomorrow. And would is used for polite requests, like would you please help me? Shall is used for suggestion, like shall we go out for dinner? And should is used for advice or obligations, like you should eat more vegetables. May is used to ask for permission, like may I leave early? And might is used to express possibility, like it might rain today. Must is used to express necessity, like you must wear a seat belt. Let's practice using modal verb. I will give a scenario and you create a sentence using a modal verb. You need permission to go out with friends. The correct sentence is may I go out with my friends? You want to express a possibility about tomorrow weather. The correct sentence is it might rain tomorrow. You want to make a polite request for help. The correct answer is would you please help me? Everyone, today we learn about common English mistakes and how to use modal verbs correctly. Keep practicing to improve your skill. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next class.